Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to acquire the reading foundational skills by using the Khan Kids application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and the growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And then you should go to your homepage and select the account that you would like to use by clicking on the upper right corner of the screen and select the one account that you're going to use, depending on which of your children is going to use the app. And then you should click on the library icon in the upper left corner, and then click on the reading part at the top. And now, as you can see, there are many exercises, but first of all you need to select the grade of your child or the age, since there are 6 different levels here for kindergarten students, or those children, or for those children who go to the kindergarten. There are reading foundational skills, writing and language, exercises for early readers, and so on. But if you want to focus on the foundational skills of reading, click on the relevant exercise.
When you read a book, you start,
and then you are then your child is going to be able to start the process of acquiring this kind of knowledge. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.